Hey everyone, welcome to the Wellers channel. Today I'll show you how to launch GTA 5 as an administrator in Epic Games. First, open Epic Games, go to the library, find GTA 5, click the three dots, click Manage, and then click Create a shortcut on the desktop. There it is. Right-click it and select Properties. And here, as you can see, we can't launch it as an administrator. Weird, right? But no worries. Go back to Epic Games, click the three dots, click Manage, and then click Open Install Folder. Here we have the file that launches GTA 5. Either this one or that one. Let's work with both of them. Right-click, select Properties, click Compatibility, and check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then click OK. Do this for each GTA 5 exe file, just like in the video, and that's it. As an administrator. There you go. Now try opening GTA 5 from the shortcut we created, right-click it, and make sure it shows up on your desktop, right? I don't remember exactly how this is done. Click More, then Send to, and click Desktop. There. And now GTA 5 will open as an administrator. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you!